Good morning, everyone. I'm Akotume Sedrina Nanama, a level 200 student of Koforidua Technical University.
So what is the name of your project?
Okay, so our project is Ideal Homes.
So tell us about your project.
So Ideal Homes is basically a website that allows customers to rent houses, build houses, and also um, buy houses. So with the build part, we give you options for you to choose from. So when you choose from the options that we've given, you can decide on the house to build for you, depending on how you describe it and everything.
Wow, that is impressive. So what motivated you to embark on this project?
Okay, so I have this personal encounter where when you want to rent a house, you'd have to move from house to house to ask if there's vacancy. And then we do not want our customers to go through that stress of walking around and everything. So we decided to create a a website that will allow the users to seamlessly rent, buy, and then build houses from their homes.
So what are the challenges you've encountered so far?
Okay, so far we are the ones working now. Yes, our customers will no longer work, so we are the ones working to find vacancies in houses to post on the webpage to allow the customers to see, view, and then rent or buy. Yes,
So was it stressful?
it is. It is very stressful.
That's fine. So thank you for your time. Have a nice day.